This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can adjust the exposure value on this drone. So to change the camera exposure, you will need to look at the bottom right corner of the display, and while in the automatic camera mode, simply tap at the EV there, and as you can see, you can adjust the exposure value as you please. And while in the camera pro mode, on the other hand, simply tap anywhere, make sure that the second section, the shutter button section, is selected, and here, as you can see, you can also adjust the exposure in the same way, more or less. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.